Ah. Oh. Ah. You clicked on this video because you want to know what loans are, right? If I'm correct, then stay in this video because I'm going to explain all about loans. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Kid Finance channel. I'm Andrew and I make videos about financial education. If you're new, please demolish the like button and destroy the subscribe button and turn on all post notifications so you don't miss the upload on this channel. Last video, you guys completely broke the like goal in less than a week. Thank you for all the support for this channel. For this video, let's try to get 10 likes in 5 days. We can make it. With that being said, let's get this show on the road. After a couple hours of researching and watching videos about what loans are, I finally got all the information, so I'm going to share it with you. If you are ready to learn about loans, then let's get started. There are many reasons why somebody needs a loan, like buying a house, paying for college tuition, buying a car, and etc. Loans are basically like borrowing money from someone for a purpose with the promise to pay the money back. When you borrow the money, you are in debt, so you have to pay the lender, the person who gave you the money, and usually you would have to pay extra money to the lender, called interest. Interest is the cost of borrowing money, where the borrower pays a fee to the lender for the loan. Loans are given by credit unions and banks. When you go to a bank or credit union, you would have to fill out an application giving them some details about your monthly expenses, income, credit history, and credit score. Those information impact the lender's decision on paying you the loan, including details on how much interest you will have to pay for borrowing the money. When you borrow money, you can pay back the loans to the lender through monthly payments or a set period of time, called term of a loan. A term loan is a loan from a bank that has a set of repayment schedule and a fixed or floating interest rate. Loans can be categorized in two different types. The first type of loan is called a secured loan, where the loans are backed with your asset, which is called a collateral. Collateral is something valuable you own that you offer to a lender as compensation in the event that you default on your loan payments. If this happens, the lender has the right to take whatever was offered as collateral and resell it to make up for the money they lost. If you apply for this type of loan, you have lower rates of interest to pay back to the lender. The second type of loan is called an unsecured loan. An unsecured loan is money you borrow without using collateral. That means there is nothing of value backing the loan and lenders face a higher risk. This results in a lower borrowing limit and a higher interest rate that you would have to pay, and you would need a higher credit score to qualify for the loan. Common examples of unsecured loans include credit cards and personal lines of credit. Both types of loans have pros and cons. If you plan to apply for a loan, make sure you're educated on both types of loans and have clear understanding of the interest rate and repayment amount before moving forward. Incredible! Now you know all about loans. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to check out more of my videos on my channel. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace!